if we have a campfire or not.
I don't think he thinks the wind is terrible. I think he thinks the wind is pretty amazing, and that's why he's out
going
here.
in this cold weather.
Ooh, brr. He's gonna take that thing up, or that thing is gonna take him up.
It's still tethered to that sign.
Mm-hmm. Oh, look at it, it's going up. Oh, he's going with it.
Watch it fall on our roof. Whoa.
Can't see it up there. Oh, he's got like a ski board.
Yeah, that's what they stand on. And that thing, I've seen them out here before. I never seen them set up though.
That's wild, isn't it? Do you see the waves crashing off the... Look at that. Oh, did you see that?
What if he loses that board, huh? Maybe he's strapped into it with his feet.
He's wiggling his feet to make
He's
sure
putting
that they're
his feet
in.
so they'll stay on it. And away he's gonna go.
Oh, oh.
There
Oh
he
my
goes.
goodness. Wow.
There goes Frogman. Look at that. See you in Wisconsin, buddy.
What a wild ride. How thrilling it would be.